Babatiin ko lang ng happy birthday ngayong araw yung aking advisor. First year homeroom advisor at nagbigay sa akin o nag-impart sa akin ng knowledge about industrial arts. Actually, dalawa sila ni Mr. Perez. So, happy birthday to Dr. or Professor Werson de Asis ngayong September 8. Sir, napadaan lang po para bumati ng happy birthday. Alam ko po na family day ngayon. So, enjoy your day. Enjoy your day with your family. At sana po continue to instill not only skills and knowledge, kasi alam naman natin talaga yung ini-impart nyo is skills and knowledge, but values as well to future professionals. Maraming salamat po sa na-impart nyo sa akin, although it is already 29 years ago, but still meron pa ako natatandaan doon. I could still remember your being considerate sa akin because, you know, of all the students that you handled, ako ata yung may kondisyon na hindi pwedeng pabayaan. So, happy birthday po ulit and God bless po.